Isakathana wenzenjani igazi eMorogoro waphetha ngobani umlilo wasentumbane yabhalwa ngotsheni grand planning ukhona umuntu asandumana ngendaba yama-disdengine yadalwa ngubani i-moment of madness vanganga babulawa ifukurawundi waboshwa yini abababulalayo zebabuya na abanyamalalayo ikulipi ikhaboti idumbuthena ripoti yasihlanganisa na isizwe imitapoti iphendule mba wethu angazi lutho ibhace ezizweni izaphu yayibulewe noma yayisifele ebalekela indlela nje wayibonela umqabuko babotshwa nje badlenika abantu udabemba lomasuku umkala wamgeza baphela na undebele zezisazi ingane zasempumalanga ukuthi lini i-disdengine iphendule mba wethu angazi lutho ibhace ezizweni i-esaphu yayithi benze nobaba seyathuthukiswa yini imathebheleleni sezihlonitshwa ngokulinganayo na indima eZimbabwe zilokhu ziqala ngalimilunye na indaba zelizwe yoze kube nini siqala ngalumilunye ngoba nabadlala kumahlolanyama zisatholakala imidolo emadodo iphendule mba wethu angazi lutho ibhaqe ezizweni zingenaphi ingane zeZimbabwe empini yeCongo selaziwa yini nani labantwana abafela khona aphiwa bana amadayimani akhakwa khona azingenela noma angeniswa emapulazini amawovethi asekwazi yini ukulima kwenelisa isizwe asayithola yini imisebenzi ama-green bomber iphendule mba wethu angazi lutho ibhace ezizweni Iselani kwalekelwa isiphofu babonela abantu abangaboniyo amadokotela namanesi babelesifiso sokuthuthukisa ilizwe ziyofunda nini ingane zabafelokazi bathuthukiswa kanjani eMpumalanga eNtshonalanga beBulawa iphendule mba wethu angazi lutho ibhace ezizweni Why Africa? Why are these heroes called heroes? Why are these thieves called chiefs? Why are these killers called kings? Why are these dissidents called presidents? Why Africa? Why? Gangsters with guns are called governments. They pave their way by bullets, not ballots. They call their confusion a revolution. Their corruption is called production. While they fill their stomachs full till they look foolish. Our poverty is called power. Our pains are called our gains. Why Africa? Why? Why are these dictators called protectors? Why are these dictators called doctors? Why are these liars called lawyers? Why are these cheaters called cheaters? Their tribalism is called nationalism. They are the richest leaders from poorest countries. They blame everybody else except themselves for their own mistakes. They cut our legs before they run a race with us. Then they declare themselves as leaders. They prefer to cut our mouths than to answer our questions. Why Africa? Why?
Question. Need the answer.
Ukulima akupheli ekuphakule ningabakhohlwa abagezi izitsha ukupheka akupheli lingalahla ameveli babule ngawo lingalihlatshwe ngokuzayo lingadla amasilincishabelusayo funa baziyeke zilale egangeni lingabakhohlwa umlezanisikhuluma lingakhohlwa siyafana noqamba amanga othula ibona abathakathi kaloya ohlonipha izithwala ukukhwalile ohleka nabahleka basehlebile lingaxoxa abacindezela ukuze kuncindezele lina lingaxoxa ababandlululayo phede libandlulule nani lingaxoxa amasela ukuze litshontshe lina ohleka izidona zomunye kaqala akhangele ezakhe inyawo lingabakhohlwa abantu funa balikhohlwe lani lingakhohlwa ukuthi abantu bakhohlwa lingakhohlwa lokuthi ngithe lingakhohlwa Unyathela abanye ngembatata zokwebolekwa funa ukufundiswa ukuthi ngezikabani ungandizeli indlela waboleka impiko funa bazithatha abanye izophoxeka ohleli phezu kwesitala sokwebolekwa ngangabaklodela abahleli phansi funa bazithatha abanye izophoxeke lingabakhohlwa abantu funa balikhohlwe lani lingakhohlwa ukuthi abantu abakhohlwa lingakhohlwa lokuthi ngithe lingakhohlwa
angeke sikhohlwe yebo
abaningi Wangazi, Woman Wawonju Wiscom. Let me introduce myself a little bit. Born a few decades ago, I am Bongani Nguben. I'm nothing but a peace-loving young man. I'm nothing but a warrior against evil. I come from a country which changed poets to politicians. I come from a country which changed actors to activists. I come from a country which changed writers to fighters. Policemen became politicsmen. Soldiers are now leaders. My pen is the only gun I have. My piece of paper is the only arsenal left. And I'm not ashamed to stand up tall and say, I have a right to fight for my rights.
Thank you.